This video is how to insert a PowerPoint into a Nearpod. So first thing you do is click the plus, begin a new lesson, and if you click add slide, then add content, here's the slideshow option. So you can find one from your drive, or if you click this button you can find one that's already on your computer. So I have a PowerPoint here that I'm going to upload. Takes a little bit of time, but I want to show you what happens whenever I upload a PowerPoint this way, and then I'm going to show you a way to fix it that requires a little bit more steps, which is why I'm making this video in the first place. So it takes a little while to process the video, or to process the PowerPoint, so I will be fast forwarding the video during this section. So now that we're done processing, let me show you what this did. So, well, first off, this is my Nearpod presentation. So this is just one slide in my Nearpod, and it put all 20 of the PowerPoint slides in that one slide. So what that's going to look like whenever I preview, so this is what is going to happen for your students. They will be able to just kind of self-pace through your entire PowerPoint in this one Nearpod slide. So the downfall of inserting a PowerPoint this way is I can't insert any of those special features like the quiz or the poll or the question or the draw it or anything in the middle of your PowerPoint. It just puts all your PowerPoint slides in one of the Nearpod slides. But there is a way to fix it. It takes a few steps to do. So the first thing you want to do is in your Google Drive is upload your PowerPoint to your Google Drive. So you click New File Upload, click on that same PowerPoint. So I'm going to save it to my drive. This goes fairly quickly. Then now what I want to do is instead of opening this as a PowerPoint, I want to open it as a Google slide. And then while that's loading up, in this new tab over here, I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store. Also, I should point out I'm using the Chrome instead of like Safari or Internet Explorer. So I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to search for an extension called Nearpod Eyes. So do Nearpod. And it's this top one right here, Nearpod Eyes, and I'm going to add that to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And so I have a little icon right here. So now I'm going to go back. So here is that PowerPoint that is now saved as a Google slide deck. I'm going to click on the Nearpod Eyes icon. It's going to make me log in first. So I'm just going to log in with Google. So what this is going to do is it's going to take that Google slide and it's going to add it into a Nearpod lesson. But the nice thing is it's going to create one slide per one Nearpod slide. So that way I can insert any of those other activities in between my normal PowerPoint slides. So there's a few extra steps, but I really think it'll be worth it. So that way you can insert those interactive activities into the middle of your PowerPoint that you already have made. So now that that's done, it took each one of the slides of the PowerPoint and now created its own Nearpod slide. So now I can go through and let's say I add an activity and I want to add the draw it feature. So then I can say label where the U.S. Arizona is. And then I can insert a picture of a map, hit save. So now that went all the way down to the end, but what I can do now is drag that to anywhere in my Nearpod lesson that I want. So maybe I wanted it right here. So that way I can make my old PowerPoint now becomes interactive.